When it comes to home maintenance or renovation, one of the most challenging tasks can be getting rid of old, unwanted appliances. Whether you've upgraded to a new refrigerator, washer, dryer, or stove, getting rid of the old appliances can be a time-consuming and physically demanding process. For homeowners in Austin, Appliance Removal Services offer a simple, efficient solution to make home cleanup easy and hassle-free. In this article, we'll explore how Appliance Removal Services in Austin can streamline the process of getting rid of old appliances, saving you time, effort, and frustration while ensuring that your home remains clean and clutter-free. Convenience and time saving. One of the main benefits of hiring an appliance removal service in Austin is the convenience it provides. Removing large, heavy appliances on your own is not only physically challenging but also takes up a significant amount of time. Whether you're dealing with a bulky refrigerator, an old washing machine, or a large stove, these items can be difficult to move and often require special equipment to safely remove them. Professional appliance removal services take care of all the heavy lifting, allowing you to avoid the stress and effort of handling these large items yourself. You don't need to worry about renting a truck, enlisting help from friends, or trying to figure out how to navigate appliances through narrow hallways and doorways. The experts will handle everything for you, ensuring a quick, easy, and efficient removal process. Proper disposal and recycling. In Austin, like many other cities, it's essential to dispose of appliances in an environmentally responsible manner. Simply tossing your old appliance in the trash isn't a sustainable or eco-friendly option. Improper disposal can contribute to environmental pollution, as many household appliances contain materials that can harm the environment if not disposed of correctly. Appliance removal services in Austin typically follow eco-friendly practices by ensuring that your old appliances are properly recycled or donated when possible. Many services partner with local recycling centers to ensure that the materials from your old appliances, such as metal, plastic, and glass, are properly sorted and reused. Recycling these materials helps to reduce the need for new raw materials, conserve energy, and minimize environmental waste. If your appliance is still in good condition, many services also donate functional appliances to local charities or nonprofit organizations. This way, you can rest assured knowing that your appliance isn't just being thrown away, but is being put to good use to help others in need. Safe removal of appliances. Removing large appliances from your home can be a hazardous task. Appliances like refrigerators, washers, and dryers are often heavy and can be difficult to move safely. They may also have sharp edges or contain hazardous materials such as refrigerants that need to be properly handled. Professional appliance removal services have the necessary experience and equipment to safely remove appliances without causing damage to your home or risking injury. The team is trained to handle even the most cumbersome appliances and is familiar with the proper protocols for safely disconnecting and removing them. Additionally, appliance removal experts are fully insured, meaning you won't have to worry about potential damage to your walls, floors, or door frames during the removal process. By hiring professionals, you can avoid the risk of injury and ensure that your home remains undamaged. Faster cleanup and immediate results. When you're tackling a home cleanup project, you want fast results so that you can enjoy your newly cleared space as quickly as possible. With appliance removal services in Austin, you don't have to wait around for days or weeks to get rid of those bulky, old appliances. Same-day service is often available, so you can schedule a pickup at your convenience and have your old appliances removed almost immediately. This means you won't be living with clutter in your home for extended periods, and you can begin enjoying your newly decluttered space sooner. Whether you're preparing for a renovation or simply clearing out your kitchen or laundry room, the quick turnaround of professional removal services will save you valuable time and stress. Cost-effective solution. Some people hesitate to hire appliance removal services because they believe it will be an expensive service. However, the truth is that hiring professionals can actually save you money in the long run. If you try to remove the appliance on your own, you might end up damaging your property, causing costly repairs. Additionally, renting a truck, buying moving equipment, and recruiting help all come with added costs. Appliance removal services offer competitive pricing that often includes all aspects of the job: removal, transportation, and disposal. Many services even offer flat-rate pricing, so you won't have to worry about unexpected charges. Considering the time, energy, and resources required to do the job yourself, professional appliance removal often turns out to be the most cost-effective solution. A cleaner, more organized home. Finally, one of the most satisfying benefits of appliance removal is the impact it has on the cleanliness and organization of your home. Large, outdated, or non-functional appliances can clutter your home and make spaces feel cramped or disorganized. Removing them can instantly open up space and help create a cleaner, more functional living area. Whether you're creating room for new appliances, redecorating your space, or simply decluttering, professional appliance removal allows you to enjoy a cleaner and more organized home without having to worry about the logistics of getting rid of those bulky items. Conclusion. Simplify your home cleanup with professional appliance removal in Austin. Appliance removal services in Austin offer an easy, convenient, and safe way to get rid of your old appliances while saving you time, effort, and money. With expert help, you can quickly clear out unwanted appliances and enjoy a clutter-free, clean, and organized home. From handling the heavy lifting to ensuring that your appliances are disposed of responsibly, professional removal services make the process as hassle-free as possible. Whether you're preparing for a home renovation, upgrading to new appliances, or simply decluttering, appliance removal services are the solution that simplifies cleanup and helps you maintain a cleaner, more efficient living space.